This is our Google Summer of Code 2022. Today is the demo day, very expected. We have a lot of projects here. It's going to be a very interesting day, so hold your seat there and enjoy the ride. And here today with us, we have Gabriel Engel and Rodrigo Nascimento. Hello, Gabriel and Rodrigo.
Hello, how are you guys?
Hello.
Yeah, good. So today we are going, if you see our website for the event, we're going to see all the projects there. And right now we have Gabriel Engel, founder, project leader, and Google Summer of Code 2022 mentor, and Rodrigo, our co-founder and technical leader of Rocket.Chat.
It's always a pleasure and honor to be participating on the Google Summer of Codes. I think we've been, is it our six years thing? Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought it was like the 6th year we're participating. This year with 14 projects. There's always a lot of exciting projects that help us to move forward to get the functionality, the features, security of Rocket.Chat to the next level. Many times we end up even hiring people from these projects. So for us, it's one of those moments that we see the relationship with the community and with open source to really shine. And it was not different this year. We see a lot of projects that made us really proud of and honored, right? That you have students of such a high caliber applying to work with us. So thanks. That's an honor to have you guys dedicating your time and effort and energy and to help our projects. So we are pleased to see the level of developers that we can attract, and that's always very, very inspiring. And also saying that this is maybe the end of a chapter in the relationship of a lot of those with Rocket.Chat, but hopefully it's not the end of the story. We have lots of those people. Like I said, many times you end up like hiring people from those projects. Sometimes those people end up being hired by companies that use Rocket.Chat or have projects of Rocket.Chat. So we know that is the beginning of a journey. And a worst case scenario, hopefully this was the beginning of a journey for many people on open source, on getting a little bit of the taste of the experience of how it is to work on an open project or participate into something bigger than a company, bigger than an individual. And hopefully that was a good experience that will make you guys want to work for an open source company in the future and help us make the open source ever stronger as the future of software development. So thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the work, and I'm looking forward to see the demos.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's also, if you didn't have the opportunity here to participate on this year, stay tuned. Get to know more about the Google Summer of Code, and for the next year, you can already interact with everybody here and all the projects. We can share later the link for all the projects, and then you can also contribute for this year's project. So it's very interesting. So now, Rodrigo.
Hey everyone. Good morning and afternoon and evening to everyone. I guess Gabriel said almost everything, but I need to thanks to our contributors as well, and to our mentors for supporting Rocket.Chat during this journey. That brought us here today. We're gonna have this it's 14 projects presentations. Those projects that were made by contributors and guided by the mentors. And mentors from our team and mentors from outside, from the industry. That's really good to see this collaboration as well. That's the soul of the open source, having many companies as well contributing to a single project. So need to thank you guys. You rock on doing that. And I saw that it's a around the globe project. It's really awesome to see that we have contributors and mentors from many places. Not mistake, we have people from Europe, USA, India, and Brazil this year. And it shows how strong Rocket.Chat and the open source culture is around the world. So open source is about contribution and sharing of ideas. And thanks to Google, of course, the Google Summer of Code brings thousands of contributors to the open source world and hundreds of proposals every year to Rocket.Chat. And that's really good to see that's ending up on those presentations. And this whole Google Summer Code project that made possible this innovative projects that we're going to see presentations today that were created in the last 2.5 months. And I stopped talking. This is your day, so I can't wait to see what you have created for Rocket.Chat. So let's go to the presentations then. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good. And thank you for all, not only, as Rodrigo said, not only the contributors, but also the mentors. It was a pleasure to have you guys here, and it's a pleasure to keep having you guys here also for the next initiatives. And everybody, as I said, everybody that participated and everybody that wanted to participate, you can still participate on the projects. We have our documentation there with the link with everything. So yeah, it's let's start the show, and thank you everybody that are online here. And also we are going to send the link after the session. We're going to have all the videos available on YouTube. So if you're watching these on YouTube, you missed the live presentation, but don't worry, you can still interact with us on our open server.